It's like having completely new eyes.
A new option for those tired of caring for their contacts, permanent lenses. On the Health Beat, how it's done and who it can help the most. The news is now.
Leading the way in local live news coverage. This is News Center 5. Coverage you can count on.
LASIK eye surgery has freed more than 1 million people from glasses and contact lenses. However, LASIK is not for every patient with bad eyesight.
And now there is another option, implantable contact lenses. News Center 5's Heather Unruh has the story of a medical first in Boston, and it's a story you'll see only on 5.
I actually prayed for many years for healing of my eyes, and this to me is an answer to my prayers.
Father Michael Parisi is talking about the tiny plastic lenses that have been implanted in both of his eyes, freeing him from glasses and traditional contact lenses. Before the surgery, he was severely nearsighted, legally blind. Without his contacts or glasses, even seeing what was in the refrigerator was challenging.
I can see shapes and I can see colors, and if I know the what's inside, I can make it out. But if you were to ask me in a friend's refrigerator what's in there, I wouldn't be able to tell without bringing everything very close to my face.
Dr. Sam Melke performed Boston's first Verisize lens surgery at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center just a few weeks ago.
So the lens is inserted inside the eye and placed on the colored part, and it has claws that allows it to be clipped to the colored part of the eye. Once it's clipped there, it just stays there for permanently.
The procedure is quick, about a half an hour per eye, and only a local anesthetic is required. As for the recovery,
by the next day, the patient can go about their daily life. The best vision won't be attained before a week or two.
like any surgical procedure, there are risks, such as infection. Some caution that while the technology is exciting, it should be considered only for those whose vision is too poor for LASIK surgery.
It should be limited to a small percentage of patients. It's one more approach to help patients who are considering having refractive surgery.
Father Parisi still has to wear glasses occasionally to read and paint, but says these tiny lenses have given him freedom.
It's the most dramatic change in my life since I was 10 years old and had to wear glasses. It's like having completely new eyes right now.
While the procedure is new to the United States, more than 150,000 lenses have been implanted in patients around the world. The procedure is expected to become more widely available in the next few months, but it is pricey, about $4,500 an eye. On the Health Beat, I'm Heather Unruh, News Center 5.
Take a second look at these implantable contact lenses, the risks, and the doctors who do the surgery at the Health Beat section of thebostonchannel.com.